ام کاتتان باش بخیر بین بو چانلی Learn and Explore. لم فيديو دا باسی بشی دومی اپیزودی حوتمی کتبی Treasure Island دکین بایستش دست ببکین. Alone at sea بتنها لدریادا. When I woke, the sun was up and I found myself about a quarter of a mile off the southwest end of Treasure Island. When I woke, katek kahastam, the sun was up, khoraka barzbuwo. And I found myself, woman khom dozio, about a quarter of a mile off the southwest end of Treasure Island. نزیکی یک لسرسی میلک لبشی باشوری روشاوی Treasure Island بو. However, the shore was very rocky and the sea rough, so I could not risk trying to go ashore. However, harchanda, the shore was very rocky. Kanari daryaka zor bardawi bu, yan bardalan bu. Rock wata bard, rocky wata bardawi. And the sea rough, wa daryaka sakhat bu. So, I could not risk trying to go ashore. Boya min namtuani khom khama matersiyawa bo oy brombo kanari daryaka. I tried to paddle, but the boat was difficult to steer and water started to come in. I tried to paddle, hawlam da soul lebam, but the boat was difficult to steer. Balam balamaka qurz buboy pechi pepkamo, and water started to come in. Wa au dastikil bawi betanaw balamako. I felt horribly frightened. Hastam ba tirseki larada badalakadyan, basamnaki tirsabum. How could I hope to reach land? Chon umed bukhwazam boy bigamba zawi yam gamba wushkani. Sometime later, as I moved around the coast, I suddenly saw the Hispaniola in front of me, less than half a mile away. Sometime later, hande ka duater, as I moved around the coast, kate kabadori qarahi daryakada asuramo, I suddenly saw the Hispaniola, lanakaw Hispaniolan bini, in front of me, labardamda, less than half a mile away. Kamtidla numi lemo durbu. Her sails were moving freely in the wind and it was clear to me that no one was sailing her. Her sails were moving freely in the wind. Charokakani baazadi lahawada ajulan. Sail katek aboku naw bakarahenet wata charoka. Wakatek bashawi verb bakarahenet bawatay lehurini balamdet. And it was clear to me wa awarun bubomen that no one was sailing her. Ka hich kasek lena akhri. Wagdar lera da sail waku verb bakarhen raw wa bamanay lehurini balamdet. Yan kashti. I thought that the two men must be asleep from the rum. I thought that wabir makadawa that the two men kadupiawaka must be asleep abed khawtubeten from the rum. Larege sharabako. Mabasawe ka awna sharab yan khwarde beto agan lakhoyan namaw khayan lekawto. If only I could get on board, I might be able to turn her to her captain. If only I could get on board, agar tanha bitwanam broma sarui kashtiega, I might be able to return her to her captain. Laane bitwanam bigaren mobo captain ake. Kama best Captain Smoleta. I knew what I needed to do. I knew what I needed to do. Amzani ka pewista chipkam. I sat up and started paddling again. I sat up, hastama sarpe, and started paddling again. Dastam kirdawaba sawledan. Despite water coming into the boat, I went on paddling until at last I was close to the ship. Despite water coming into the boat, lagal away aw ahatanaw balamakawa, I went on paddling, bardawabum la sawledan, until at last I was close to the ship. Taoku lakotaida nzigbumo la kashteka. I could see that one of the booms was hanging out over the side of the ship, and when a large wave came, I pushed myself up and reached for it. I could see that, amtuani bibinamka, one of the booms were hanging out over the side of the ship. Yekeklas tunakani charokaka, balay ki kashteka da yan balay kashteka da hawas rawo. and when a large wave came, وكاتك شپولێکی گەورە هات, I pushed myself up and reached for it. خۆم بۆ ڕاکێشا و پێی گەشتم. بەم شێوەیەش ڤیدیۆ ڕۆمان کۆتایی هات. تاوەکو بەشی داهاتوو خواتان لەگەڵ.